it doesn't really matter who you are. Unless you're just some naturally gifted business person, you're going to suffer at some point in time in your life.
There's no cup holders in this thing.
A lot of people in their 20s and 30s, especially when they've graduated college and now they're making a little bit extra money, let's call it $50,000 a year, feel that they need to reward themselves. They feel that they're now entitled to a brand new car. They want to go out and purchase a new house. They take better vacations. They party a little bit more. Instead of ordering drinks on the well, you order on the top shelf. And that's all great. But you have to understand, by making that decision and spending most of your paycheck and not saving, you're going to delay your retirement, and your 30s and 40s is going to look a lot different. On the flip side, if you lived a little bit frugal now and you took that extra income that you're now getting because of that new degree that you have, and you saved it and you invested it in a 401k or your IRA, maybe you bought some real estate and some rental properties, heck, maybe you started a business, your 30s and 40s is going to look a lot different. Where you decide to suffer, where you decide to limit spending, either later on in life, during your later years, or early on, it doesn't matter. Both are really, really great decisions, but it is a decision you have to make. Would you rather live a great life in your 20s and 30s and spend all your money, but delay retirement, maybe have to work a little bit harder, work until you're 65, 70? Or would you rather save a little bit now, invest, and maybe potentially retire early, retire at the age of 40, travel the world, buy the nice cars and everything then? Again, it doesn't matter, but it is a decision you're going to have to make. This channel is all about living a little bit frugal now in your 20s and 30s, investing, getting the tax advantages from that, and living in a much more abundant future in your 40s and 50s. Want to learn more? Follow us.